In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TikTok videos in Canva. If you've ever tried making a vertical video and ended up with awkward cropping, text too close to the edges, or clips that just don't feel right on mobile, this process will make things much easier. Canva gives you a simple way to build clean, polished, short-form videos without needing complicated editing software. And the key is setting everything up properly from the start. First, open Canva and create the correct project type. From the home page, go to Create a Design, search for TikTok, and choose the TikTok video format at 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is the standard vertical 9 by 16 in layout, and it's important because it matches the full screen viewing experience people expect on TikTok. Starting with the right canvas helps you avoid black bars, stretching, and other formatting problems later. Once your blank project opens, turn on your guides and margins right away. Go to the File menu, then View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides along with Show Margins. This gives you visual boundaries on the screen so you can keep your important content in the safest area. That matters because TikTok places interface elements around the screen, especially near the edges, and you don't want key text or visuals getting covered. Next, upload your video clips. On the left side, click Uploads, then select Upload Files and choose your vertical video footage from your computer. After your clips finish loading, drag one into the main canvas area. Canva will snap it into place to fill the portrait frame. This is where your project starts to come together, and using vertical footage from the beginning will usually give you the cleanest result. After that, add your main on-screen text. Click text on the left panel, then choose Add a text box. Type your hook or main message and place it inside the center safe area, where it's easy to read and less likely to be hidden by the app's overlay. Keep your text bold, clear, and fairly short so viewers can understand it instantly. Then use the top toolbar to choose a strong, easy-to-read font style and open the Animate option to apply a simple motion effect like typewriter or bounce. You can also adjust the timing on the timeline so the text appears exactly when you want it to. Finally, preview everything before exporting. Press play above the timeline and check that your text stays within the safe margins and that the video flows smoothly. When you're happy with it, click Share in the top right, choose Download, set the file type to MP4 video, select the highest quality available, and download your finished video. And that's it. You now have a clean, properly formatted TikTok video ready to upload from Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.